Across the country, access to legal help should be available to all who need it. In the Pikes Peak region, the Justice Center is doing their part to make sure that's a reality right here in your backyard. In this week's Give Pikes Peak, Laura will explain how you can take advantage of their low-cost and free services. Good morning, Laura.
Good morning, Krista. Thank you for having me.
I'm interested to learn all about the Justice Center and kind of who you guys serve here in our community.
Well, we serve people who cannot afford an attorney and who need legal advice or legal representation. And obviously, most of our clients turn out to be women with children, veterans, active duty service members. Those are the majority or the bulk of our clients.
What kind of legal services do you offer?
So we provide legal representation for civil cases. That means anything from a divorce, alimony, child custody, landlord-tenant cases, evictions. And a lot of people don't know that 70% of civil cases in Colorado do not have an attorney, which is very scary for me as a lawyer. Yes, they don't have an attorney.
They just represent themselves?
Correct. We call those pro se, which is self-represented litigants. I think that's very, very scary. As a lawyer, I would be scared to go before a judge that I don't know anything about. So to have somebody who just doesn't know anything about the law do that is very, very scary, and that's where we try to fill that gap.
But you're filling it too with some volunteer legal help. Talk to me how that works.
So we go out into the community. Usually we go out to the 4th Judicial District, which is El Paso and Teller County, and different attorneys, licensed legal paraprofessionals, and paralegals will volunteer with us so that they can help the community out.
That's also super nice, though, too, that someone's willing to give their time and effort to help people who just don't have access to things like lawyers and legal assistants.
That's correct. Yes, and we are very, very thankful to our volunteers. They are the reason that we exist. We support them. That's honestly what the Justice Center does.
You've got a unique recognition from the United Nations, so I need you to tell us about it.
Yes, so last year we actually were the first Access to Justice nonprofit in Colorado to be recognized by the United Nations through the Economic and Social Council.
Woohoo! Congratulations!
Thank you so much. There's only 20 other nonprofits in all of Colorado who have that recognition, but we are the first in Southern Colorado to have it and the first Access to Justice provider that has it.
So let's kind of talk a little bit about how many people you've helped so far here in SoCo.
Absolutely. So we have taken 138 cases in 2024. Most of them were completely for free. 2 of them were reduced cost, which means, yes. And then for legal advice, we took 5,587 clients.
You're just helping everybody. It just feels really good when you wake up in the morning, I'm sure of it. There's also legal clinics we got to talk about as well.
Absolutely. So we have monthly legal in-person clinics. They happen to be for pro se litigants who are not able to get an attorney fast enough and who need to have help with their financial disclosures, which I tell you as a lawyer, it is very scary to do financial disclosures. So to have somebody help you out is absolutely wonderful. Those happen the second Wednesdays of every month. And we also have a name changes clinic. Usually our clients in that clinic get everything for free, and they happen to be domestic abuse survivors, family violence survivors, survivors of all kinds of trafficking, you know, and different members of the community who would like to change their name.
They want a clean slate, start fresh, all that good stuff.
Correct.
There's an what is it? Legal Resource Day coming up. What are you guys doing for that? When is it, and how can people get involved?
Well, we are providing legal advice in the 4th Judicial, and we are helping our partners in the 10th Judicial, which is Pueblo, provide the same legal advice. It is happening October 24th of 2025. It happens every year. And this year we are partnering with a few members of our community, which we are so thankful for.
Well, Laura, thank you so much for joining us here today. I'm excited that you guys are a part of the Give campaign right here in the Pikes Peak region. All of those people who donate, making sure that those funds go to the good resources, like getting everybody that legal assistance and or access when they're going through those civil cases. Laura, thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me.
You can see a full list of resources offered by the Justice Center on their website, and be sure to take advantage of the free legal advice clinics on Wednesdays on the phone. And a special thank you to the Give Pikes Peak for sponsoring this segment. Laura, thanks so much.
Thank you.